So I'm getting a lot of comments from you guys telling me that you are praying for me and for my knee, and I really appreciate that. I'm also getting a lot of people, of course, asking how my knee is doing. I completely understand that, but there's no way that I can individually answer 150 people that asked me that question. So I thought I would go ahead and give you an update. Hey everybody, this is Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. So, my knee, what's happening with it? Well, if you saw the video where I told you what happened, I was walking across the lawn, not doing anything, and something snapped in my knee and I couldn't walk on it, and it happened to happen right in the middle of our Christmas program at church where I was the bass player and I wasn't able to go up and finish the program. So I went to the emergency room right away that evening, and they just gave me a brace and two crutches and a referral for an orthopedic surgeon. Took 4 days for me to get into the orthopedist, so I went in and talked to him for a while. He asked a bunch of questions. He examined my knee and he said it's probably a torn meniscus. And so he scheduled an MRI because he can't really know for sure until the MRI. So that is scheduled for December 29th, still about a week and a half away or something like that. So we won't really know what's going on until he does the MRI. There's a possibility that I will need surgery on my knee, but he can't make that determination until, of course, he sees the MRI. In the meantime, I walked on two crutches for about 4 days or so. And then all of a sudden I discovered that I was using two crutches, but I was basically walking on both feet. You know, when it first happened, I couldn't even touch my toe to the ground. It was so painful. So then I discovered that I was walking on 2 feet using two crutches. So then I experimented and left one of my crutches. And now I can walk around, no problem at all, using just one crutch. I tried Elizabeth's cane, but that didn't work because I still have to put too much weight on my arm, you know, to help support me, and the cane is too wobbly. So I'm just walking on one crutch right now, and it's going pretty well. I feel improvement every day. In fact, sometimes when I'm just standing and doing something, I don't really use the crutch. Like if I'm in the kitchen and I'm going back and forth between the stove on one side and the sink on the other side, I discover that I'm not even using the crutch. I lay it aside. I can stand on 2 feet and I can take a step or two either way without using the crutch. So I'm being very careful to exercise it and use it without straining it and overdoing it. But like I said, it's improving every day. Now, I don't know what's going to happen as far as our trip to Florida because, you know, we were supposed to go to our house in Florida right after Christmas. But I have to wait until the MRI and the results back to see what he has to say. A lot of you have told me that you've had issues like this before that was resolved without surgery. That would be great. If I can just do physical therapy and different things like that, I'm kind of feeling hopeful because it's already improving greatly. But if I do need surgery, if I have to do it right away and then physical therapy, then we're not going to Florida in January. But I may need surgery, but it may be a month or 6 weeks before he can get me into the schedule. Who knows? In which case we'll go to Florida. But I probably won't be able to do a whole lot of work on the house. Hopefully Barry would be able to come down with me. I know he's planning to come, but I don't know exactly when. So everything is kind of up in the air right now with our trip to Florida and with the repair work that needs to be done down there. But, you know, none of that repair work is really critical. If I have to put it off a few months, so be it. So anyway, yeah, there it is. I am definitely improving. I have a scheduled MRI to find out more about what's going on. And as soon as I know, I'll let you know. Okay, thanks for watching. You be blessed. Live simple, live free. We'll see you next time.